Hello, in day 10 we are going to learn the commands like groups, utilities, clipboard, design center and tool palette. Let's learn these commands. In order to get the group command, you can go to the group panel option which is there in the tool palette, and then here we have a group, ungroup, group edit and group selection on and off. So here we have a bathroom which is made up of number of lines, toilet block and door. In order to add these all the parts into one group, so I just click on the group option, select all the geometry and then click on enter, so that you get a one group. But if it is not visible, then make sure your group selection option is on. When it is on, then only your group will highlight. If I want to edit this group, then you go to the group edit option, select the group, and what you want to do, if you want to add or remove, then you can click on the particular option. Now I just want to remove the door symbol from the bathroom, then you click on the remove option and select the door and hit on enter, so that in the group you only get walls and then toilet. Overall, if I want to come out from the group, then you can go to the ungroup option and then say ungroup. The next option we have is utility. In the utility we have a measure option. Just expand that measure option. We have sub options like quick, distance, radius, etc. In order to check the quick dimensions of any geometry, then you can select the quick and then you just move the cursor to your particular geometry. So it is displaying the angle, distance and all the stuff. You just move inside to get the inside dimensions of any geometry. Next, if I want to check the distance between any 2 points, then you go to the distance option, click the first point and second point. If I want to check the radius, before that I should have a circle. I just draw the circle with the help of shortcut, that is C enter. Draw the circle like this. In order to check the radius and then diameter, you go to the measure option, take the radius option and then select on the radius. It is displaying both the radius and diameter. Next we have is angle. In order to check the angle between any two lines, then you take this option, click the first line and second line to check the angle. The next option we have is area. In order to find out what is the plot area, carpet area, built up area, normally we use this command. Even we can find out the area by putting the formulas if it is in a standard shape of the geometry. If it is non-standard shape, then with the help of area command you can find out the area. For that I go with the shortcut, that is AA enter. So how to cover the geometry, that is first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Again you just close it to your first point and then hit on enter to get the area. Or else again I am going to take the shortcut, that is AA. Rather than covering it manually, you just go to the object option in the command bar and then select the geometry. Like this way you can find out the plot area, carpet area, built up area, etc. with single click. Next option we have is volume. So volume you can find out in 3D mode, as our geometry is having only two parameters, that is length and width. Let's check how it works. Click on the volume option. Now either you click the manually or else you select on the object. First we have to mention the length and width. Just click it, so that now it considered that is length and width. It is asking me now to specify the height. If I give the height of the building is 10 feet, then you will get the volume in the cubic inch. Next, come out from the command. Next option we have is clipboard option. In order to copy, cut and paste from one drawing file into another drawing file, normally we use this clipboard option. So just click on the plus sign to get the new file drawing. If I want to copy the content of my drawing 1 file to the drawing 2, then I use Ctrl C, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. These are the shortcut for your copy, paste and cut. So I'm going with the short key, that is Ctrl C to copy, select the wanted area and then enter. Go to the next file, drawing, and then press Ctrl V, and then you have to click it manually where you want to paste. So if you want to paste it to the same coordinate, then I just delete this, press Ctrl A to select and delete. Go to the drawing one file. In this time, I just say Ctrl C or else you copy clip, select the whole object and enter. Go to the drawing 2 and then here we have a paste option, that is paste to the original coordinate to get it in the same coordinate. We have one more option, that is block. See, already we learned the group. So these are the different entities. In order to paste these all the things as a block, no need to create the block. By quickly we can use this paste option. Before that you have to copy it by using Ctrl C and then right click and you go to the clipboard option and you can say that is paste as a block to paste it as a block option. Next command is design center. Design center is available to manage your standards and it enables you to access named object in any drawing and copy them into the current drawing. It is also used for inserting the blocks from any drawing from the design center. You can open the drawing and then simply drag and drop the blocks into your current drawing. Let's learn this now. The design center you have to press Ctrl 2. So then you will get the options like folder, open drawings and then history. So make sure you are clicking on the folder option. So design center is nothing but where you can able to see the collections of the blocks depending on the category. You just go with the kitchen drawing now because I have the kitchen room here. Click on the block option. So I am dragging it and placing the refrigerator plan and then close it. So before going to place it into the kitchen room, so make sure you what is the dimension of the refrigerator. For that I am using the DI command. Check the distance of this, that is 3 feet, but now I want to scale up it about 22 inch or 23 inch. So you can use the scale option or else you can use the align also. Now I am going with the align, that is AL, enter. Select the object, enter. Click the first source point and then first destination point. Click the second source point and second destination point. We don't have any third point. Click on enter. So it is asking you that do you want to scale up this to the reference line? Yes. And then you will get the particular distance of the refrigerator plan. So depending on the requirement, you use your move command and then move it. Make sure your F8 is off or and on and then move it. So like this way, by using the design center option, you will get the different categories of the blocks to decorate your plan. One more option we have is tool palette. So in tool palette also we get the default different types of the blocks. For that we have to press Ctrl 3. When I press Ctrl 3, I will get the tool palette option. Depending on the category, just click on the modeling, construction, annotation, architecture, like this. So now I just delete the previous symbol of the toilet. For the toilet, if I want to place the toilet symbol, so make sure you are in the architectural mode and then you can find the different categories of the blocks. So here I have a toilet block, toilet empirical. So drag it and then place it and close this tool palette. So now this toilet view is in front view or side view. So if you want to change the view, then you can just click on that symbol. You will get the arrow mark to change the views of the toilet block. Select on that arrow mark. Here you have a front view. Currently now it is in front. So you can click on the plan view. In the plan view also we have the different types. Then again you click on the arrow mark. You can make it as a round, corner or else elongated corner. Once you've done, so before going to place, make sure you are scaling it to the standard dimension by using the scalar align option and then move command to move it and place it. So like this way guys, by using the design center and then tool palette, we can use the different types of the blocks to decorate our project. In order to add these two blocks in your particular layer, just select these two blocks and then go to the layer properties. You can switch into the particular layer in which layer you want to add. Or else before going to place, now I just take an example. Go to the layer properties, create the new layer, and then you can see green or plants and whatever it may be. Change the color into the green and close this. So now before going to drag it and place the trees and then plants, I just keep the current layer as the green layer. Press Ctrl 3 and then drag and place the trees like this and close. Now the coconut tree is in the plan view. So if you want to change, then you click on the arrow mark and then you can change it. Depending on the requirement, you can change and then place wherever you want. For plan, again I click on the arrow mark of the block and then I click on the plant. Even you can change the type of the plants like this. So if you want to scale up, then you can scale it. SC enter, select the object, click the center point, and then even you can randomly just click the second point, or else you can make it 0.5 like that. One more option to get the tool palette is you go to the tool option and then palette and then click on the tool palette. The shortcut is Ctrl 3. In the next class video, we learn the other commands. Thank you.